Hi friends, robotics tools in AI. Robotics tool in AI encompass a wide variety of software and frameworks that help in the development, control, simulation of robot systems. Development, control, simulation of robot systems. These tools are critical for creating robots that can perform complex tasks autonomously, whether in research environment, industrial automation, or consumer facing applications like drones and autonomous vehicles. Selecting the right tool depends on the type of robot being developed, the complexity of the tasks, and the integration with machine learning and AI algorithms. ముఖ్యంగా ఇది డెవలప్మెంట్, కంట్రోల్, సిమ్యులేషన్ ఈ సిస్టమ్స్లో యూజ్ అవుతుందండి. ఇది యాక్చువల్గా వైడ్ రేంజ్ అప్లికేషన్స్, కాంప్లెక్స్ కూడాను. అయితే ఇందులో టూల్స్, ఇంపార్టెంట్ టూల్స్ 16 ఉన్నాయి, అది చూద్దాం. ROS, GAZEBO, VEX Robotics, formerly VREP, that is called COPPELIASIM. Number 5, Robocop. Number 6, PyPart. Number 7, Robot Studio. Number 8, PyRobot. Number 9, MoveIt. Number 10, Melfa Basic. Number 11, Microsoft Robotics Developer Studio. 12, OpenRev. Number 13, Simulink. Number 14, Robot Framework. Number 15, C++ and Python libraries for robotics. Number 16, Autonomous Robots Software. Please like, share, subscribe. Thank you. In detail, in depth, I will upload one more video.